there was a study the CPUC done a while back with Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, and I call it the four S's. And they identified the grid in the future, the electric grid in the future is going to have to understand and be able to work with their customers to do these four S's. And the first one's obviously to shape your load. Then that by shaping your load, it creates opportunities to either shed or shift loads at will. And the last part of it is more grid resilience when we have voltage or current problems, which is called shimmy, which is where we may have customers that will be able to give us at few seconds notice. It won't be like a demand response. It would be more like a grid ops contacting a group of customers and saying, we need you to give us more demand or we need you to reduce demand for 5 to maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes. That's the shimmy part of it. And so we're looking at different scenarios on this. But for the water sector is understanding, and we don't know what, when we started this journey, we did not know what kind of telemetry water agencies had on measuring not only at our electric meter side, but the individual operations of pumps, what their energy consumption were at all those different points. And I shared with some of the people in building automation, we monitor rooms, electric usage, or floors, or maybe various entities in a building. But overall, they are able to get a shape their profile in that building by doing different scenarios because they're doing sub-metering. And sub-metering is huge. So what we saw in the very beginning is a lack of sub-metering. And to understand that, and we'll have a couple of people talk about it today, our need is be able to, for our grid resilience, is be able to react to a call for more demand or a call for less demand. And how do we communicate that? And how do we do it out of maybe away from the non-traditional ways of DR? And this is why it's called flexible DR. I also call it flexible DSM because it's really your demand side management that is going to be able to enable us to align our grids, the water grid and the electric grid, to do things that will support us both economically and also for your water grid and our electric grid resilience. Joseph keyed it off really well. You know, we have the same thing when it comes to like water. We have to worry about quality, resilience, and those things go hand in hand. And understanding that, that's the biggest important thing.